Today, I'm walking you through a powerful Google Drive integration built with Make.com that automatically creates a client folder and syncs files directly from Monday.com. No more double work, no more broken links. Here's how it works. When a deal is marked as won in your CRM pipeline, a new client folder is instantly created in Google Drive. That folder link drops right back into Monday, so your team can access it immediately. Even better, any file you upload to the client item in Monday automatically appears in their Google Drive folder. Let's see it in action. I'm marking Walt Disney as one in our pipeline. That triggers a new item in our client CRM board, complete with a unique client ID and a direct folder link. Clicking the link opens a Google Drive folder that was just created. Now, let's upload a file into the item in Monday. When we refresh the Google Drive folder, there it is, synced perfectly. This saves your team from having to switch tools, chase links, or manually organize folders. Here's how it's built. In Make.com, we watch for a new item marked as active, retrieve the item's details, create a folder in Google Drive, and then push the folder link back into your CRM. It's clean, simple, and fully automated. If this is something you're looking for in your CRM, book a free discovery call with me using the link below. Thanks for watching.